We are pleased to show you the 2025 Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out, while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats. Come take a test drive today.